Welcome! If you're ready to give your Discord profile a fresh new look, today I'll show you exactly how to change your avatar decoration on Discord with the latest update. Whether you want to stand out in your servers or just add a bit of flair to your profile, these steps will have you set up in no time. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're on the main screen, look down to the bottom right corner and tap your profile picture. This will take you straight to your user profile, where you can see your current avatar and all your profile details. Next, look for the Edit Profile button and give it a tap. This is where you can change all sorts of profile settings, but today we're focusing on avatar decorations. On the Profile Edit page, you'll see an option labeled Avatar Decoration. Tap on that, and you'll be taken to the decoration selection screen. Now comes the fun part. Browse through the available avatar decorations and pick the one that fits your style. If you've purchased decorations from the Discord shop, you'll find them here, ready to use. Take your time to preview how each decoration looks with your avatar. When you find one you like, tap on it to select it. After you've made your choice, look for the Save or Apply button, usually in the upper right corner, and tap it. This will confirm your selection and update your profile with the new avatar decoration instantly. Just like that, your Discord profile has a brand new vibe that everyone can see. And that's it. You've successfully changed your avatar decoration on Discord. It's a simple way to personalize your profile and show off your unique style in every chat and server. If you want to try a different decoration later, just repeat these steps and switch things up whenever you like. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your new Discord look.